So next is the replacement model. So let's say the cost of a machine is 6,100 naira and its scrap value, the scrap value is also known as the residual or salvage value. The residual, so they may not use scrap value, residual or salvage value. So they mean the same thing. Is 100 naira. The maintenance costs are found from experience to be, so for the first year, the maintenance cost is 100, for the second year is 250, and so on until the eighth year, which is 2000. So we were asked when should the machine be replaced. So I've already drawn a table so that we can hasten the because of time. So the table is going to look like this year. Of course, the years are from 1 to 8. Then we have the maintenance cost. So the maintenance cost is 100. So this total maintenance could also be referred to as cumulative maintenance. Okay, so you can also call it cumulative maintenance instead of using total what maintenance. So you can call it cumulative maintenance. So for the first year is 100, the next year is 250, the next one is 400, the next one is 600, for the fifth year is 900, for the sixth year is 1,250, for the seventh year is 1,600, and for the 8 years is 2,000. So now let's get the cumulative cost. The cumulative maintenance cost for this is going to be 100. Then we just add this and this. So that's going to give us 250. Then 250 plus 400, that's going to be 650. That's the meaning of cumulative. So the next one will be 650 plus 600, that will be 1,250. Let me bring my calculator, I don't want to make errors and start going back again. So the next one will then be 1,250 plus 900, that's equal to 2,150. 2,150, then 2,150 plus 1,250, so that's going to be 3,400 plus 1,600, that's going to be equal to 5,000, and 5,000 plus 2,000, that's going to be equal to 7,000. So we have obtained the total maintenance cost. So the depreciation or the depreciation cost would be the cost minus the scrap value. For this problem, the scrap value or salvage value is the same for all the years. Sometimes they may change it, may change for each of them. So what you just do is to subtract this from the scrap, subtract the scrap value from the total cost. So all of this will just be 600, 6,100 minus, sorry, 6,000 minus 100. So that's this. So you can just say this is a cost minus scrap value. You can put that there. So the next one is 600, 600, 600, 600, 600. So next we'll get the total cost. So the total cost will just be cumulative maintenance plus the depreciation cost. So this will be 6,100. This will be 6,000 plus 250, 6,250. Then this will be 6,550, 6,000 and okay 6,650, 6,650. Let me get my calculator out. because I'm prone to error when adding values like this. So I'm going to have so the next one will be 1,250 plus 6,000. So that will be 7,250. Then I'm going to have 2,150 plus 6,000. That will be 8,150. Next, I'm going to have 6,000 plus 3,400. So that will be 9,400. And this would be 11,000. This plus this. And this would be 13,000. So next, we're going to look for the average. So the average of the total cost here, that's what we're, so just divide the total cost by the year. So this will be 6,100. Then I'm going to have 6,250 divided by 2. That's equal to 3,125. Next, I'm going to have 6,650 divided by 3 because the year is 3. That's equal to 2216.67. 2216.67. Next, I'm going to divide 7,250 by 4. That's equal to 1812.50. 1812.50. Next, I'm going to divide this by 5. So I'm going to have 8150 divided by 5. That's equal to 1630. Next, I'm going to divide 9400 by 6. 9400 divided by 6. That's equal to 1566.67. Next, I'm going to divide 11,000 by 7. Divided by 7. That's equal to 1571.43. Next, okay, the last one, 1,300 divided by 8. 13000 divided by 13,000 divided by 8 rather. That's equal to 1625. 1625. Now, okay, so the question is, when should it be replaced? So we are going to look at the maintenance cost. Okay, so to get the year when the machine should be replaced, we are going to look at the maintenance cost, and the average cost. So if you look through this, notice that the maintenance cost increase gradually. Okay, and let's look through the average cost. The part where the maintenance cost is greater than the average cost. So you can see that here, from here onward, 900 is less than 1,600. 1,250 is less than 1,566. 1,600 is greater than 1,500. So the maintenance cost at this point, maintenance cost is greater than average cost. So it therefore means that the production should be stopped at the end of the sixth year. So, okay, when the machine should be replaced. So the machine should be replaced at the end of the sixth year. So the reason is that because the maintenance for the seventh year is greater than the average cost.